for today's video is how to block a contact on WhatsApp. So you can stop receiving messages, calls, and status updates from certain contacts by blocking them. You can also report them if you think they are sending problematic content or spam. If you feel or anyone else is in immediate danger, please contact your local emergency services. To block a contact, open WhatsApp. Then tap the three button on the upper right corner of the screen. Then press settings. And then tap privacy. And press on block contacts. Then tap the icon to select a contact to block. For example, this one. So, this contact is already blocked. The next thing is an alternative option for blocking a contact. So, if you open a chat with a contact, then press the three button on the upper right corner. Then press more and then block the person. You can also report the contact. You can also block an unknown phone number. So if you go back and open a number, then press the three dots, then press more, you can press block, or here on the messages, it's already put here, the sender is not in your contact list. So you can block this one. Please note that blocked contacts will no longer be available to call you or send you messages. Your last in online status updates and any changes made to your profile photo will no longer be visible to contacts you block. Blocking a contact won't remove them from your contact list, nor will it remove from your list on contacts phones. To delete a contact, you must delete the contact from your phone address book. So that's it. I hope that this video helped. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!